Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, even though you are crazy about him. Even though you are crazy about him. हालांकि तुम उसके लिए पागल थी. Second, but he didn't interest in you. But he didn't interest in you. लेकिन उसे तुम में कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं थी. 3. She kept on crying for someone help. She kept on crying for someone help. वो किसी की मदद के लिए रो रही थी. 4. I had goosebumps. I had goosebumps. मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए. 5. The milk will turn sour. The milk will turn sour. 6. Just have a morsel. Just have a morsel. सिर्फ एक निवाला खा लो. 7. We are going shopping today, don't we? आज हम शॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं ना. 8. We have to do much shopping today. We have to do much shopping today. आज हमें बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करनी है. 9. Even I don't have clothes for wear in normal days. Even I don't have clothes for wear in normal days. हालांकि मेरे पास आम दिनों में कपड़े पहनने के लिए नहीं हैं. The last one is 10. You make much cost. You make much cost. तुम बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा करते हो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.